Hey, it's Rick with Ready Edit Rock, Re-Rock, E-Rock, and check out my Instagram at Rick's Rockin' Fitness and at Rick's Rockin' Music. Hey, we're gonna do a functions, features, tips, and tricks today. It's gonna be on chroma or green screen. It's synonymous. Chroma is a more technical term. Green screen you've probably heard of, you know, the reporters on TV that stand in front of the scene of the city or their weather maps or whatever, and that's green screen. They're filming them with a green background and then projecting the the other images behind it, the green screen reporter. So, and you know, you can nowadays, all the apps, including what we're going to cover today, Videoleap, have that option, but it's a little tricky. First you look for it, you won't find it if you're looking for green screen, because it's called chroma and you might not know what that is or exactly how to use it, and that's what I'm going to explain to you. So let's just jump right in. We'll open up Videoleap and we'll search for an image. We got to, and we look at stock images. The stock, I mean, you can do your own green screen, but if you haven't got that set up, you can look at Videoleap. Videoleap has a very few pathetic kind of examples. So we'll go to Pixabay. They have a much better selection, but you got to type in chroma. You got to, or I mean, green screen would work too, and then you can kind of see they have some kind of fun animations and backgrounds. So just kind of envision that the image is animated, and you know, it has, and the green will go away in the background. That's when you're picking these out, and you can always try it, see how it goes, but just as we're trying to give you an idea. But you notice that you don't see chroma here. It's not in your menu. What you have to do is bring it into a mixer up in the higher level, and then so now we got it in mixer. Now you scroll over, now you see chroma. That's what we're looking for. Right there, that baby. So now you see the circle with the X. Now you tap that and just pull it into the green area, and that eliminates the background. That's a step you have to do. Now you have your overlay, so to speak, your chroma level. We'll add a picture of me eating breakfast by the pool, and then we're gonna. So now we have the fire in front in the green screen. And we'll move that down. Almost looks like I'm ready to cook my breakfast, but or just hanging out, sitting by the fire in front of the TV. We'll change the aspect ratio, the format, and move the chroma around a little bit, get it adjusted so it all kind of ties together the theme. This is a really short example, but it gives you an idea of what you can do with chroma, and you know, you could just like a lot of these options, it's just the options are endless. So but you know, again, just a short quick example of what can be done. And hey, that's chroma green screen. It's fun. I mean, some of these other ones are just a little obscure, and you might not use them over, but I can tell you, green screen, you can have a blast with it if you find the right combination of different you know, different subjects and topics, and just go wild with it. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next video.